Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make tomato soup in Yeeps hide and seek using an easy method. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. Head to the garden area to find 3 ripe tomatoes. Next, locate 1 clean cooking pot, which is usually found near the campfire. Finally, collect 5 sticks of firewood from the forest edge to start your fire. These simple steps get you ready to cook. Now that you have your ingredients, let's start cooking. Begin by placing your clean cooking pot directly over the lit campfire. Carefully add the 3 ripe tomatoes into the pot. Use a stirring stick, if available, to gently mash and stir the tomatoes. Continue stirring for approximately 2 minutes, or until they become noticeably soft and begin to break down. This creates the base for your delicious soup. With your tomatoes softened, it's time to add some flavor. Find the spice rack and add just a small pinch of salt to the pot. This simple seasoning enhances the natural taste of the tomatoes. Stir the soup gently for about 1 minute, ensuring the salt is well combined. Once mixed, carefully pour your warm tomato soup into a small bowl. It's almost ready to enjoy. And there you have it, your very own homemade tomato soup, made the easy way in Yeeps hide and seek. This entire process takes less than 5 minutes to complete, making it a quick and efficient meal. Not only is it delicious, but consuming this warm soup also provides a small health boost within the game. Don't forget to share your culinary success with a friend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.